Early in the morning, Emma gently woke her husband David,
The sun was rising.
and a new day was beginning.
Emma had already prepared a hot cup of coffee to help David start his day.
Good morning, David.
Good morning, Emma. Thank you.
After getting ready, David joined Emma at the breakfast table. This looks wonderful, Emma.
I made your favorite. They enjoyed a peaceful breakfast together before starting their busy day. This is so nice.
It is.
David, don't forget your jacket. It'll be cold later.
Oh, right. Thanks, Emma. All set. David said goodbye and promised to bring milk and bread on his way home. Bye, Emma. Love you.
Bye, drive safe.
Dave spent the day working hard and attending meetings. During lunch, David and Emma called each other and shared stories about their day. Hey, Emma, how's your day?
Hi, David. It's good, just having lunch. While David finished work, Emma prepared his favorite dinner. Almost ready, David.
After a long day, David finally returned home.
Welcome home, David.
It's so good to see you, Emma.
This is so good.
It really is. How was your day?
Busy but good. Yours?
Better now. After dinner, they decided to relax and watch television.
Here's the popcorn.
Perfect. Thanks, Emma. They laughed together while watching a funny television show. Haha, that's hilarious.
Oh my gosh, I can't breathe.
Ready for bed?
Almost. Let's brush first.
Good idea. Thank you for a wonderful day, Emma.
It was perfect. I love you.
I love you too. Good night.
Good night, David.